Greetings once again and welcome back to Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. Alright, so today we have ALLOSAURUS. Why? Because we have the brand new Hammond Collection ALLOSAURUS. We just got it last night and now it's here. We went to several targets but we couldn't find one, but the last one we found it. Finally. It is the battle at Big Rock. And we have the Atrociraptor Ghost right here, and the baby Triceratops and the Scutosaurus. So we already have this, and I already pre-ordered this too. Can't wait for them. They're probably next year, since it's at the end of the year already. Alright, guys, we'll unbox it. But first things first is we're gonna go use the Epic Evolution and the Dominion Allosaurus. This is a Walmart exclusive right here. As you can see, it's a extreme damage. There you go. I don't understand why all these Allosaurus have black tongues. There you go. Same as the Epic Evolution has a black tongue, but at least the Hammond Collection doesn't have a black tongue. It's a regular pinkish. So this one has a wheel. You scroll it. There you go. Has a battle attack. You push this. Alright. Let's put this aside. We're gonna unbox this guy. Oh my goodness. Take out the battle of Big Rock. I've never seen that yet. But hopefully there will be a Dominion version or the... I believe so. Was there the Allosaurus of Dominion? Or there was a Fallen Kingdom? Alright, let's unbox it now. Okay. There you have it. Nice. They look so similar. All the Allosauruses look similar. Their colors. I didn't bring out the Dino Escape. There's no point in bringing that now. But yeah, let's check this out. Alright, guys. Super sweet. Also, I have another surprise to show later. Okay. I would say this is a rare dinosaur. It's so hard to find. So we'll make this a rare one. Okay. Look at that tail, huh? Let's try it. Oh yeah, there's a steel wire in there. Okay, let's put it in. Are you serious? One more? Okay, guess there's one more. Alright, you guys. Alright, let's put this in. Ah, there you go. Nice. Alright. Let's compare it first to the Epic Evolution. Wait, what happened here? What is this? Why does it look so straight? Okay, I'm trying to check right now if there's any defects. Looks like it's good. Look at at least they painted the claw. Unlike its counterpart variants, they don't have painted nails. Look at the claws right there. At least the Hammond Collection is painted. Nice eye right there. Look at the teeth. Apparently, the Epic Evolution has longer teeth and has a bigger head. Look at that. The body, the tail is obviously longer since all Hammond Collection have longer, or the tail length is way so too long. Look at how long that is compared to the Dominion as well. Look at that. Let's check out the head. So the Hammond Collection has a smaller head, but the tail is like super long. The paint job is different. Look at their paint job on their thighs. Different, same as the Epic Evolution. Has a battle scar right there. This one. There's the DNA scan. Hammond Collections don't have DNA scans, but yeah. Nice spikes in the back, the quills. Looks like a Tarbosaurus. So yeah, has Allosaurus, that crest right there. Really nice. Totally different from the Dominion version. Look at their crest. So different. Okay, guys. So yeah, it's a nice piece. Can't wait for the rest of the Hammond Collection coming next year. Early January. So yeah. At least the tongue is okay. It's not black. It's totally normal. Teeth looks really nice but soft. Alright guys, there goes our rare video today. We'll see you in the next video. Also, here's the surprise I've been talking about. Let's put this guy aside. Here we go. We finally have the Styxosaurus. Alright guys, really cool. Really cool. Alright. Now we're just waiting for this one, this Suchomimus, I believe. Alright guys, there you have it for today. Our Hammond Collection Allosaurus. Thank you once again, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.